kini na cake ay karne. Cake Mate Factory real beef. Beef pala to. Cake Mate Factory beef. Lihan ha. Cake Mate Beef Factory. Itsura niya. Karne na baka. Ang daming baka. Ihimong cake. Birthday cake ng birthday ng anak ko to, birthday gift. Parang cake talaga. Ito na yung amazing. Amazing. Ito na yan. Beef. Cake. Beef. Cake meat pala. Ito, una nila.